The smooth scrolling effect is a quick and eye-catching transition that enhances your video's engagement without much effort. With just 2 simple effects, you can effortlessly apply this stunning transition to any video. Here is a detailed tutorial on how to apply this transition in Premiere Pro. Set your Premiere Pro workspace as Editing. Go to Window, select Editing. Import all the video clips that you want to edit. Add them to the timeline. Finalize the clips before applying transition. If you make any changes later, it will become a mess. On the left bottom, click on New Item and select Adjustment Layer. Now, drag the newly created adjustment layer between the clips. Adjust its size. Go to Effects Control and search for Offset. Drag this on the newly created adjustment layer. Next, set the play head between the clips. It must remain in center of the adjustment layer. Go 5 or 3 frames back. Under Offset, create a keyframe by clicking on Shift Center to. Then place the play head again in center and go 5 frames forward. Now you have to select the amount of spins you need. 3 to 4 is good. Just drag the right value to choose video spins. Keep the play head on the last keyframe and select Blend with Original. And go 1 frame ahead and create a keyframe again. Set Blend with Original value to 100%. The current transition will look like this. Now we will go for the second effect to make the transition smoother. Go to Effects and search for Directional Blur. Drag this effect over the adjustment layer. Go to the beginning of the transition keyframe and set the blur value to 0. Set the play head at the center of the adjustment layer and set the blur value to 70 or 65. And go to the last keyframe and set the blur value to 0. This will add a smooth blur effect on the spinning video. To make it look better, go to Effects and search for Cross Dissolve. Drag the video effect between 2 clips. If it does not move to center, click on it and select Center at Cut. That's it! Just copy the adjustment layer and paste it on all clips to apply the same transition. Do like the video and hit the subscribe button for more amazing tutorials.